Hello and welcome to the SQLite Fundamentals Up and Running course. The goal is simple, and it's to get you up and running, up to speed with SQLite to the level where you can start using it in your own programs and systems. My name is Ndafara from NKT Studios, and I'll be your instructor in this course. I have over 7 years professional experience as a software developer working with different database systems. So, fear not, you're in good hands with the material that we have put together. We have 4 sections in this course, and they are as follows. 1. The first section is the introduction, which basically talks about what SQLite is and why you might want to use it. The second section is setting up the environment as well as the introduction to the sample database. This section shows you how to download and set up SQLite on your computer. It shows you how to set up the administration and management tools. Lastly, this section will introduce you to the sample database and how to connect to it using both the command line as well as the graphical user interface. The third section is SQLite Statements. It demonstrates some basic SQLite statements to modify and query data on both the command line as well as the graphical user interface. The fourth section covers SQLite database objects and aggregate functions. Here, we'll look at SQLite Datatypes, creating, altering, dropping, and modifying tables. There's a lot to learn, so I hope to see you in the course. Thank you very much.